Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Hernando County Schools single sign-on. The first thing that you have to do is open up a web browser and type in the web address for the single sign-on. This is my.hcsb.k12.fl.us. So you put that up in your web address bar and you'll come to this page. Over here at the login, you want to put in your username. Your username is your first name dot your last name. Again, that's your first name dot your last name. And in our example, we have Brittany dot Milliken. Your password is going to be your last initial as a capital letter and your lunch number, 7 digits long. So for our example, Brittany's last name is Milliken, so her password's going to start with a capital M for Milliken. She's going to have to put a 0 in front of her student number because her lunch number, her student number, is only 6 digits long. But to make it the 7 digits, you just insert a 0 at the beginning of it. Most of you will have to do that. Go ahead and click your login. And this will bring you to your single sign-on page. Now, Brittany is kind of lucky because she has her Google Classroom right here. Very easy. All she has to do is click on it, and she's right into Google Classroom. Now, some students don't have the Google Classroom on the home screen. It may be in this bar called Application. If you don't see it here, it's okay. You can still go into Google Classroom. What I recommend doing is going into your Google Apps, which is basically a Google Drive account. It's where your work will be stored for class. In fact, here is Brittany's classwork folder from last year. If you click this waffle menu, it's a waffle menu because it looks like it's a waffle, little squares there that you can bite into and eat. You have a school email account. There's also access to Google Docs, Google Slides. The Google Classroom's not there, so if we click more, we have more stuff coming up, including Translate. But right down here is the Google Classroom, so she could click that and get into it that way. Now, notice here. This is what most of you will see. You'll see a sign-in screen, and that's exactly what you'll do. You click sign in. It will prompt you more than likely for your school email, and it's already been inputted. Your school email is, like the example here, it is your first dot last name at hernandoschools.org. Let me show you. Right here, first dot last name at hernandoschools, make sure there's an s.org. All right, now this is the Google Classroom, but at this point, Brittany has not been added to any classrooms. So to add, you go obviously to the plus button and click join. You are going to be prompted for a class code. You'll need to enter the appropriate class code for the class that you're in. So make sure you get that class code from your teacher. Make sure it's for the right class period. And all you have to do is type that code in, join. And right there is the class. If Brittany had other classes that she was in, they would all show up here on this menu on this side of the screen. But for now, we're going to go ahead and log back out. Please don't ever forget to do that. I know most of the time they automatically log you out, but make sure you sign out whenever you use this. Thank you for watching.